Hello students, now we are going to discuss about error analysis. First one, absolute error. What is absolute error? The magnitude of difference between the true value and the measured value of a quantity is called absolute error. The magnitude of difference between the true value and the measured value of a quantity is called absolute error. Let us discuss about that. If A1, A2, A3 and so on up to An are the measured values of any quantity A in an experiment performed n times, then the arithmetic mean of these values is called the true value of a quantity, which is represented by the letter Am. The expression for the arithmetic mean of these values can be written as Am is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus and so on up to An by n, or Am is equal to 1 by n sigma I is equal to 1 to n Ai. Here Am represents what? Arithmetic mean of the measured values. Okay, how can we calculate the absolute error in the measured values? That can be calculated as mod del A1 is equal to mod Am minus A1. Here mod del A1 represents the magnitude of the absolute error of the first measured value. Here A1 represents what? First measured value. Del A1 represents what? Absolute error of the first measured value. Mod del A1 represents what? The magnitude of the absolute error of the first measured value, which can be equated as mod Am minus A1, which represents mean value minus the first measured value. We can also say that true value minus first measured value. Similarly, we can write the magnitude of the absolute error of the second measured value as mod del A2 is equal to mod Am minus A2. In the right hand side, it represents arithmetic mean value, which is nothing but the true value minus second measured value, is known as what? The magnitude of the absolute error of the second measured value. Similarly, we can write for the nth value as the absolute error of the nth measured value as mod del An is equal to mod Am minus An. Next one, mean absolute error. What is mean absolute error? The arithmetic mean of the absolute errors in all the measurements is called the mean absolute error. Once again, I repeat, the arithmetic mean of absolute errors in all the experiments is called the mean absolute error, which can be written as del Am. Del Am represents what? Mean absolute error. Del Am is equal to mod del A1 plus mod del A2 plus mod del A3 and so on up to plus mod del An divided by n, which also can be written as del Am is equal to 1 by n sigma I is equal to 1 to n mod del Ai. Here we can say that Am represents the true value, which is nothing but the arithmetic mean of all the measured values, and del Am is nothing but the mean absolute error. Then the magnitude of the quantity may lie between Am plus del Am and Am minus del Am. Next one, relative error. What is relative error? The ratio of the mean absolute error to the mean value is called the relative error. This also called as fractional error or relative error. Once again I repeat, the ratio of the mean absolute error to the mean value is called relative error. This is also called as fractional error or relative error. The expression for the relative error can be written as relative error is equal to mean absolute error divided by mean value. How the mean absolute error is represented? It is represented as del AM. What is the mean value which is represented as AM? So the relative error becomes del AM by AM, which is nothing but mean absolute error by mean value. Let us discuss about relative error in detail. This relative error expresses how large the absolute error is compared to the total size of the object measured. For example, a driver's speedometer shows that his car is traveling at 60 km per hour when it is actually moving at 62 km per hour. Then the absolute error of the speedometer can be written as the true value minus the measured value, which can be written as 62 minus 60 km per hour, which will become 2 km per hour. Hence, the relative error of the measurement is said to be 2 km per hour divided by 60 km per hour is equal to 0.033. Next one, percentage error. What is percentage error? The relative error expressed as percentage is called percentage error. If the relative error is expressed as a percentage is called percentage error. The expression for the percentage error is written as percentage error is equal to del AM by AM into 100%. Percentage error is equal to del AM by AM into 100%. See this example 1.4. In a series of successive measurements in an experiment, the readings of the period of oscillation of a simple pendulum were found to be 2.63 second, 2.56 second, 2.42 second and 2.71 second and 2.80 second. Then calculate the mean value of the period of oscillation, the absolute error in each measurement, the mean absolute error, the relative error, the percentage error. Express the result in the proper form. Let us discuss about that. Solution. Look at the solution. So the time periods of oscillation of a simple pendulum are given as what? T1 is equal to 2.63 second, T2 is equal to 2.56 second, T3 is equal to 2.42 second, T4 is equal to 2.71 second and T5 is equal to 2.80 second. First question. What is the first question? The mean value of the period of oscillation. First we have to calculate the mean value of period of oscillation. That can be calculated as Tm. Tm is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus T5 divided by 5. So we have to add all these values and the sum should be divided by 5. Then we can get the mean value of the measured values. So we can write 2.63 plus 2.56 plus 2.42 plus 2.71 plus 2.80 divided by 5. The total value of the numerator becomes 13.12 divided by 5, which will become 2.624 second. So this is called what? The mean time period of oscillation of a simple pendulum. After round off this result, we will get the result as Tm is equal to 2.62 second. Next, we have to calculate the absolute error of the each measured values, which is calculated by the equation del t is equal to mean value minus the measured value. Tm minus Tt. Tm represents the mean value and small t represents the measured value. Then the absolute error of the first measured value is calculated as 2.62 minus 2.63 is equal to minus 0.01 second. The absolute error of the second measured value is equal to 2.62 minus 2.56 is equal to plus 0.06 second. The absolute error of the third measured value is calculated as del T3 is equal to 2.62 minus 2.42 is equal to plus 0.20 second. Similarly, the absolute error of the fourth measured value is calculated as del T4 is equal to 2.62 minus 2.71 is equal to minus 0.09 second. Similarly, the absolute error of the fifth measured value is calculated as del T5 is equal to 2.62 minus 2.80 is equal to minus 0.18 second. Next we have to calculate the mean absolute error. Mean absolute error can be calculated by the equation sigma del Ti divided by n, which will become del Tm is equal to 0.01 plus 0.06 plus 0.20 plus 0.09 plus 0.18 divided by 5. The sum of the numerator becomes 0.54 divided by 5 is equal to 0.108 second. After round off, we will get the result as del Tm is equal to 0.11 second. Next, we are going to calculate the relative error. The relative error can be calculated as St is equal to del Tm by Tm is equal to 0.11 divided by 2.62 is equal to 0.0419. After round off, we will get the result as St is equal to 0.04. Next one, percentage error. Percentage error can be written as 0.04 into 100% is equal to 4%. What is the time period of simple pendulum, which is expressed as T is equal to 2.62 plus or minus 0.11 second. Thank you, students.